Welcome to CarryB, a fully automated paper bag manufacturing facility in India. Our mission is to provide a sustainable solution for businesses looking for cost-effective and eco-friendly packaging options. At CarryB, we pride ourselves on our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, equipped with the latest technology and fully automated machines that can produce up to 100 million bags a year. We cover the entire spectrum of paper bag products, from customized bags with twisted handles for textile and accessory shops to D-cut bags for takeaways. We also offer V-cut bags, which are affordable and available in see-through and perforated types, which are ideal for cafes and pharmacies. We also have a state-of-the-art multi-color printing machine to provide our clients with the flexibility to customize their bags with their branding and logos. CarryB sources its raw materials directly from manufacturers, ensuring the highest quality at an affordable price. Our manufacturing process is designed to minimize raw material wastage, ensuring a more sustainable approach. We understand that cost and quality are the main concerns when it comes to switching from plastic bags to paper bags, and we aim to bridge that gap with our products. Our commitment to sustainability doesn't stop at manufacturing paper bags. We also have our own paper recycling facility, where we recycle waste paper and convert it into new paper products. At CarryB, we believe that every small step counts towards a more sustainable future. Join us in our mission to create a greener world, one paper bag at a time. At CarryB, we believe that every small step counts towards a more sustainable future. Join us in our mission to create a greener world, one paper bag at a time. CarryB, carry goodness.